Hey there, folks. Have you ever stopped to think about what's really in those brightly colored cleaning products under your sink? I'm talking about the ones promising sparkling countertops and spotless floors. Well, hold on to your mops because here's a doozy. The average household cleaning product contains up to 62 unique volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. That's right, 62. We're talking about chemicals that can evaporate into the air, and guess what? We end up breathing them in. Not exactly the recipe for a healthy home, right? Now, I'm all for a clean house, but not at the expense of our well-being. These VOCs aren't just floating around harmlessly. They're linked to a whole slew of health issues, from eye and respiratory irritation to headaches and even more serious long-term problems. We're exposing ourselves and our families to these risks every time we reach for that conventional spray bottle. It's time to rethink our cleaning routine. But it's not just about what's happening inside our homes. These chemicals also take a toll on the environment. They end up in our wastewater, eventually finding their way into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. We're talking about pollution that harms aquatic life and disrupts delicate ecosystems. It's a chain reaction with consequences that reach far beyond our homes. The good news is, we're not stuck with these chemical-laden products. There's a growing movement towards eco-friendly cleaning solutions, and it's gaining momentum fast. People are becoming more aware of the risks associated with conventional cleaners and are searching for safer, more sustainable alternatives. And you know what? Making your own cleaning products is easier than you might think. Remember when making your own bread or jam was considered a novelty? Well, DIY cleaning solutions are having their moment in the sun, and for good reason. It's not just a fad, folks. It's about taking control of what we bring into our homes and prioritizing the health of our families and the planet. More and more people are ditching the harsh chemicals and embracing natural ingredients. We're talking about simple, readily available ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemons, and essential oils. These powerhouse ingredients have been used for generations to clean and disinfect homes, and they're making a big comeback. And let's be honest, there's something incredibly satisfying about whipping up your own cleaning concoctions. It's like channeling your inner alchemist, transforming everyday ingredients into powerful cleaning agents. Plus, it's a great way to save money. Those store-bought cleaners can really put a dent in your wallet, but making your own is incredibly budget-friendly. But here's the best part. DIY eco-friendly cleaning isn't just about swapping out one product for another. It's about adopting a more mindful approach to cleaning. It's about understanding the impact our choices have on our health and the environment. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable home, one cleaning spray at a time. All right, folks, let's roll up our sleeves and delve into the nitty-gritty of those conventional cleaning products lurking under your sink. We're going to shine a light on those tongue-twisting chemicals and uncover their not-so-pleasant side effects. Knowledge is power, right? First up, we've got the notorious phthalates, pronounced phthalates. These sneaky chemicals are often hidden in fragrances, masking unpleasant odors and making those cleaners smell fresh. But here's the catch. Phthalates are endocrine disruptors, meaning they can mess with our hormones. We're talking about potential developmental issues, reproductive problems, and even increased risks of certain cancers. Not exactly the kind of freshness we're looking for. Next on our hit list are parabens. You'll find these preservatives in everything from shampoos to lotions to, you guessed it, cleaning products. They're meant to extend shelf life, but they come with a hefty price tag for our health. Parabens are also endocrine disruptors, and studies have linked them to various health concerns including allergies, skin irritation, and even hormonal imbalances. And let's not forget about triclosan, that antibacterial agent found in some cleaners. While it might sound like a good thing to banish bacteria, triclosan is a bit of an overachiever. It can disrupt thyroid function and contribute to antibiotic resistance, making those nasty bacterial infections even harder to treat. These are just a few examples of the questionable characters hiding in plain sight in our cleaning products. The more we learn about these chemicals, the more apparent it becomes. It's time to ditch the toxins and embrace a safer, more natural approach to cleaning. Alright, enough with the scary stuff. Let's get to the good part, making our own eco-friendly cleaning products. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite dynamic duo vinegar and baking soda. These two ingredients are like the Batman and Robin of the cleaning world. Next, let's give a round of applause to the Humble Lemon. Create a refreshing all-purpose cleaner by combining lemon juice, water, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. By using simple, readily available ingredients, you can create effective and safe cleaning products that are good for you, your family, and the planet. Section 5. The proof is in the cleaning a DIY success story. Now I know what you're thinking. Alton, these DIY cleaners sound great and all, but do they really work? Well, my friends, I wouldn't steer you wrong. To put these natural cleaners to the test, I decided to tackle a cleaning challenge that strikes fear into the hearts of even the most seasoned cleaners: a grimy oven door. This oven door had seen better days. Years of baked-on grease and splattered sauces had taken their toll, leaving behind a stubborn layer of grime that seemed impossible to remove. I knew this would be the ultimate test for my DIY cleaning solution. I mixed up a simple paste using baking soda and water, adjusting the consistency until it was spreadable but not too runny. Next, I donned my trusty rubber gloves and got to work, applying a generous layer of the paste to the entire oven door. I let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes, giving the baking soda time to work its magic and loosen up the grime. After the waiting game, it was time for action. I grabbed a damp sponge and began scrubbing, working in circular motions to lift away the grime. To my delight, the baking soda paste worked like a charm. The grime that had seemed permanently etched into the glass was now lifting away with ease. After a final rinse with clean water, the oven door was practically gleaming. It was like night and day. The stubborn grime had vanished, replaced by a spotless shine. This simple two-ingredient solution had proven its mettle, proving that natural cleaners can be just as effective as their chemical-laden counterparts. Section 6. Embracing a greener clean. Good for you, good for the planet. That sparkling clean oven door wasn't just a victory for my DIY cleaning skills, it was a testament to the power of embracing a greener clean. By ditching the harsh chemicals and opting for natural alternatives, we can create a healthier home for ourselves and our families while minimizing our impact on the environment. Think about it. Every time we use a conventional cleaning product, we're releasing those harmful VOCs into our air. We're exposing ourselves and our loved ones to potential health risks, from respiratory problems to skin irritations. But when we choose DIY eco-friendly cleaners, we're taking control of our indoor air quality. We're creating a safer, healthier environment for everyone under our roof. And it's not just about our homes. Those chemicals in conventional cleaners don't just disappear, they end up in our wastewater, eventually making their way into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. They pollute our waterways, harming aquatic life and disrupting delicate ecosystems. By choosing biodegradable, non-toxic cleaning solutions, we're minimizing our impact on the environment and preserving the health of our planet. Embracing a greener clean is about making conscious choices that benefit both our well-being and the well-being of our planet. It's about understanding that even small changes in our daily routines can make a big difference. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. Section 7. Join the eco-cleaning movement. Small steps, big impact. So, what are you waiting for? Join the eco-cleaning revolution. It's easier than you might think to make the switch to natural, homemade cleaning products. Start by replacing just one or two of your go-to cleaners with DIY alternatives. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you and your home. Remember, every little bit counts. Even small changes can have a ripple effect, inspiring those around you to make more sustainable choices. Share your newfound knowledge with friends and family. Host a DIY cleaning product swap party and exchange recipes and tips. Together we can create a wave of change, one cleaning spray at a time. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative. DIY cleaning is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. Add a splash of this, a dash of that, and personalize your cleaning products to suit your preferences. After all, cleaning should be enjoyable, right? Embrace the journey, my friends. It's time to ditch the toxins and embrace a cleaner, greener way of life. Your home, your health, and the planet will thank you for it. Section 8, Beyond the Cleaning Bucket, a world of sustainable living. Once you've dipped your toes into the world of DIY eco-friendly cleaning, you might find yourself wanting to explore other areas of sustainable living. And that's fantastic. There's a whole universe of simple yet impactful changes you can make to reduce your environmental footprint and live a more mindful life. From reducing your reliance on single-use plastics to composting food scraps to conserving water and energy, there are countless ways to make a difference. Embrace the journey one step at a time. remember every action, no matter how small, contributes to a healthier, more sustainable future. Want to discover more eco-friendly tips and tricks? Subscribe to our newsletter for a regular dose of inspiration and practical advice on living a more sustainable life. Together, let's create a cleaner, greener, and more vibrant world for generations to come.